Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Do you want online privacy and security, but you don't want to spend money on a VPN? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm showing you the top 7 completely free VPNs for Windows. And I mean really free. No hidden charges, no credit card needed, nothing sketchy. If you're liking this already, hit that like button and subscribe to SoftwareHope so you don't miss videos like this. Alright, let's jump in. Number 7. TunnelBear Free. Perfect if you've never used a VPN before. You get 500 megabytes per month, not a lot, but enough for emails and quick browsing. Server locations? 49 countries. That's the most in any free VPN. The app is super simple and fun to use. You get AES 256 encryption, that's military-grade security. Best for quick tasks like checking email. Downside? That 500 megabyte limit means no streaming, and speeds are just average. Bottom line? Great for beginners who need basic security. Number 6. Hide.me Free. This one's for privacy enthusiasts. You get 10 gigabytes per month, way better than TunnelBear. 5 server locations available. The app has tons of features and advanced settings. Strong encryption with a strict no logs policy. Split tunneling is included too. Best for people who want control over their privacy. The catch? Speeds can be slow. Some people get under 25 megabits per second, and streaming doesn't work well. My take? If you need advanced privacy and can sacrifice speed, try Hide.me. Number 5. Hotspot Shield Free. One of the fastest free VPNs. Data limit? Unlimited. Yeah, no cap at all. But you only get US servers on the free plan. Speed is amazing. You only lose about 2%. That's incredible. The app is stable and user-friendly. Plus, there's built-in malware blocking. Best for daily browsing and general security. Trade-offs? Only US servers, you'll see occasional ads, and it logs your IP address, so privacy isn't the strongest. Verdict? Want unlimited data and fast speeds for everyday use? Hotspot Shield is solid. Number 4. Windscribe Free, the most feature-packed free VPN. You start with 10 gigabytes per month, tweet about them, and get 15 gigabytes. 10 countries available, including US, UK, and Canada. Speed? Up to 910 megabits per second with WireGuard. That's insanely fast. And here's the kicker. It unblocks Netflix in 5 regions. Almost never happens with free VPNs. Torrenting? Allowed on most servers. There's even a built-in ad blocker called Robert. Stealth mode helps you bypass censorship too. Best for streaming, torrenting, and customization. Downside? Still that 10 gigabyte cap, and the app can confuse beginners. My verdict? Want Netflix or torrents with tons of features? Windscribe is one of the best. Top 3 now. Number 3. Proton VPN Free. Best free VPN for streaming. 10 gigabytes per month, 11 countries, and over 14 cities available. Speed? Averages 97 megabits per second. Excellent. Here's what's amazing. It works with US Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and HBO Max. You almost never find this with free VPNs. Torrenting? Unlimited P2P on all free servers. Based in Switzerland with strong privacy laws. Strict no-logs policy. Kill switch is included on the free plan, so if the VPN drops, your IP stays hidden. Simple, clean Windows app. Best for streaming and torrenting. Limitations? 1 device only and 10 gigabytes monthly. Bottom line? Want US Netflix or serious torrenting for free? Proton VPN is the king. Number 2. Proton VPN Free. Best for unlimited data and maximum privacy. Data limit? Unlimited. No cap whatsoever. 5 countries available. US, Netherlands, Japan, Poland, and Romania. Speed averages 335 megabits per second. Pretty fast. 0 ads. Completely ad-free experience. Based in Switzerland, no-logs policy has been independently audited. That means experts verified they actually do what they claim. top-level encryption and DNS leak protection. It's open source, so security researchers can check the code. This builds huge trust. Made by the same people who created Proton Mail, one of the most trusted secure email services. Best for privacy, security, and unlimited browsing. Limitations: one device only, can't manually change servers, streaming is hit or miss. My verdict? Want privacy is your priority and you want unlimited data? Proton VPN is absolutely the best choice. Number 1. Now, technically not free, but ExpressVPN with 30-day money-back guarantee. Why number 1? Use it free for 30 days, then get a full refund. No questions asked. What you get? Unlimited data, fastest speeds in the industry, over 3,000 servers in 105+ countries. Works with every streaming platform. Netflix, Prime, Disney+, Hulu, everything. Unlimited torrenting on all servers. Connect 8 devices at once. Military-grade encryption with audited no-logs policy. 24/7 live chat support. Best-in-class Windows app. How to get it free? Go to their website, choose any plan, use for 30 days, request refund. Done. My verdict? Want the absolute best experience? Try ExpressVPN for 30 days, completely risk-free. So, which one should you use? For streaming, Proton VPN free works with US Netflix. Runner-up, Windscribe free for 5 Netflix regions. For torrenting, Proton VPN free again with unlimited P2P. Runner-up, Windscribe. For maximum privacy, Proton VPN free, unlimited data with audited no logs. For daily browsing, Hotspot Shield free, unlimited data and fast speeds. Overall best, premium experience, ExpressVPN with 30-day trial. Best truly free option, Proton VPN free. One important warning: never download random free VPNs from Google. They sell your data, install malware, keep logs, and slow you down. Stick with these trusted ones. Alright, those are the top 7 completely free VPNs for Windows. Which one will you try? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe to SoftwareHope for more tech tips, and comment which VPN you're using. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay private, and happy browsing!